Hey guys, welcome to your review. So we went through a lot of this on Friday. So I did say I was going to go through some of those proofs on the back. So that's what I want to go through today, finish that up today. And then we'll take our test on Tuesday. It was so good to see all of y'all. I only saw y'all one time last year, so it was very good to see all of y'all. And I'm really glad and I'm very proud of what you are doing. So please keep up the hard work. This class is going to be hard, but I think you can do it. Okay? And remember, if you have any questions, please let me know. You have my email. I think you can get to me now. So I think you should be comfortable. All right, this is number 28 on the back. Okay, so we had some given statements, right? I didn't write it all out, I'm sorry, but we had that angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary, and angle 1 is congruent to angle 4. So I want to prove that angle 3 and angle 4 are complementary. So here we go. Angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary. What is that? That is given to us. Measure of angle 1 and measure of angle 2 is 90 degrees. So what does that mean? That is by the definition of complementary, right? Okay, angle 1 is congruent to angle 4, so that was also given to us. I didn't write it up there, but that was given to us. Now, what about this right here? The measure of angle 1 is now, what did I do? I took away that congruent, and now it's equal to the measure of angle 4. So what is that? That is the definition of congruence. Okay, so then angle 2 and angle 3, these two are congruent. How is that possible? Those are vertical angles, that is right. Okay, so then I can also say that the measure of angle 2 and the measure of angle 3 are equal. Yeah, so measure of angle 2 and measure of angle 3 are equal by the definition. Just all we're doing is taking off that congruent. Definition of congruence. Okay. Measure of angle 4 plus measure of angle 3 is going to be equal to 90 degrees. How can I say that right there? Is that measure of angle 1 is equal to measure of angle 4, and measure of angle 2 is equal to measure of angle 3. So what I'm doing is I'm substituting that in right there. Okay, so if they're equal to 90 degrees, so that means that measure of angle 3 and measure of angle 4 are complementary. And that is the definition, because this is the definition of complementary. Okay. So far so good. Alright, let's look at this one here. So angle JK and M, this was, our line. It was given that JKM and MKL form a linear pair. So this was a given statement for us. Remember, that's always what we start with. Okay? So if they're a linear pair, then that means they are what? Supplementary. Okay? Because they add together to be 180. So JKM and MKL are supplementary. And that is by the supplementary theorem. Okay, so JK and M So J, K, and L. And L, K, and N are supplementary. So that was also what given to us. So if JKM and MKL are supplementary, and JKM and LK and N are supplementary, then that means that MKL and LKN are congruent, because these are congruent supplements. Alright, so then I do want to go back to this one. We talked a little bit about it in class, but I do want to kind of go back to that one because some of y'all missed this on your quiz, so I just do want to hit this again. Okay, so the first one said, how many Boy Scout has first aid badges? Okay, so first aid badges would be all of these added together. So 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6, which is going to be 16. Okay, how many Boy Scouts have camping or swimming? Okay, so camping or swimming. So that's going to be all of these added together, right? So what's that? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 2, which is a 32. Okay, what about camping and swimming? Okay, so camping and swimming, so where they intersect, so 4 plus 2, oh no, I'm sorry, camping and, sorry, and a first aid. I can't read my stuff here. Camping and first aid, so that would be 6 plus 2, which would be an 8 there. Okay, what about swimming? But do not have a first aid, but not first aid. So swimming, but not first aid. So that will just be 4 plus 3 is 7, which is an 11. Okay, because those would be the only two that would be considered swimming. First aid is included in both of those. Okay, how many Boy Scouts do not have a camping badge? Okay, so how many do not have a camping badge? So that would be what? 5 plus 3 plus 7. So it's 15 plus these two that don't have any badges, right? So that's going to be 17. And then how many are in the troop? Okay, so you got your 10 plus your 10 plus your 10, so it's 30, right? 10 plus 10 plus 10, so it's 37 plus your 2, which is 39. So don't forget these two that are out here that don't have anything. They have not completed anything, so they do not have any badges. So don't forget about them. And I think on the quiz, y'all were forgetting about the ones that hung out here. Okay? All right. So go through any of your homework that you need to help in your review and just make sure that you understand it. Get in groups today and just make sure that you feel prepared for tomorrow's test. I think y'all did great on it, but if you have any questions, y'all know how to get with me. Send me an email. All right? Y'all have a great day.